Installing AZEK Shingle Siding up a gable wall is pretty similar to installing on a straight wall, but the layout begins in the center instead of the edge. Snap a center line and 2 plumb lines 16 inches on either side. Make sure the WRB is correctly overlapping any horizontal flashing and install a starter strip. Rip from the top of full panels. Make sure the starter strip is 1/4 inch above any flashing and nailed every 8 inches with siding nails. Next, install a 9-inch starter course, ripped from the top of full panels. Begin on the center line and the bottom aligned with the starter strip. Fill the bottom with this starter course. Keep a 1/16 of an inch gap between panels when installation in weather colder than 40 degrees Fahrenheit. If caulking the edge, leave the appropriate gap specified by the caulk manufacturer. The first course can be installed beginning the layout on the left vertical line and again with the bottom aligned with the starters. Nail the panel with siding nails about 1 inch in from each end and 1/2 inch above each keyway. The bottom tabs will be tacked tight with either 1 or 2 finish nails. Fill in the bottom course with the appropriate gap at the ends. Snap horizontal lines every 7 inches if using straight shingles and every 6 inches if using staggered edge shingles. Begin the second row on the center vertical line with the top on the first horizontal line. The third row staggers up and over the next lines. Fill in the second and third rows and go back to the left vertical line for course 4. Continue up the wall to the top using leftover cutoffs to fill in the small pieces and then tack all the tabs with the finish nail. If you don't want to nail the tabs with finish nails, you can use fill and flex adhesive caulk on the backs during installation. And that's how you cover a gable wall with AZEK straight or staggered edge shingles.